Hey boss, we're in a hurry. Tonight we're hosting a big banquet and we only have a couple hours before dinner starts. Let's take a look inside of our kitchen and see how are our chefs doing. First, let's take a look at our chefs who's cleaning our vegetables. Oh sir, you look like you got a lot of work to do, man. Next, we have to cut these vegetables. Hey chef, oh wow, you are in a hurry. There's so much vegetables we need. Can we make it in time? Hey, waiter, you're not helping here. Hey chef on the right side, how are things looking up? Oh, he's giving up. Okay. Yeah, we're serving 500 guests. I think we're gonna need more and bigger pots here. Hey boss, it looks like the size of your kitchen is not being able to handle this much of a crowd. It seems like your kitchen is a standard commercial kitchen, which is great for small restaurants or even for some fine dining. But for a big banquet of hundreds of people, it might not be suitable. But luckily, we have a solution for you. Welcome to INEO's central kitchen area. For example, if you take a look over here, we can put all the vegetables that needs to be cleaned inside here. And this machine, it will rinse and wash pile of vegetables. In a central kitchen, we can process and cook in massive productions. After the vegetables has been washed, they can be rinsed over here in the big bucket. If you want to peel potatoes, it's also very simple as well. This machine can handle 700 to 800 kilograms of potatoes within 1 hour. If you're having problem cutting these vegetables after they're clean, you can take a look at this machine. It can cut up to 800 kilograms of vegetables within just 1 hour. Of course, let's not forget about processing different kind of chicken or meat or whatever meat products that you need. These machines can process up to 500 to 800 kilograms within 1 hour. If you're making a lot of soup, instead of putting 3 to 4 small pots on the stove, you can try out our 100-liter tilting gas soup pot, where you don't have to prepare single meal by single meal anymore, where you can just put all of your ingredients in here and it can stir fry for you up to 200 liters. If you need to steam something, don't steam one by one. Take a look how many trays and how many food you can steam at the same time. If you're cooking food for a large amount of people, like a banquet or event, we recommend you to try our new central kitchen. At INEO, we're able to help you to design, to choose the right product, to manufacture these products. Even we can ship it to you and help with installation as well. After you install the central kitchen, everything will be much more efficient. Let's take a look. See how happy the chef is when everything can be produced in a much more simple and efficient way. How's everything looking? Wow, such beautiful food for everybody. At INEO, no matter if you are just a small restaurant owner or you are a 5-star hotel which has a big banquet hall, INEO is able to supply you with all the kitchen equipment you need. Choose INEO.